Have you ever been in the situation you've come out in the morning to check on your plants and most of the leaves are gone? And this is what's happened to my plant here. The culprit, it's a caterpillar, and they love to eat the leaves while I'm not watching. And usually at night I come out and most of the plant has disappeared. There you go. Parts of it look good, parts of it eaten leaf, most of it completely stripped of leaves. And quite often the caterpillar at fault is the hawk moth. So let's see if we can find it. The caterpillar is well camouflaged by looking a lot like the leaves and the stalks. And trying to track it down has been problematic for me. I found quite a few in the past, removed them, disposed of them, and I thought I got them all, except this morning I found little droplets of poo, little messages that, hey, I'm still here. And I was lucky enough to find it. So can you see it? There it is, right there. See if I can zoom in. There's its tail, and the rest of the body is hiding in there. See, it looks pretty much like the rest of the plant. Let me see if I can pull it out. Come on. Gotcha. So this is the blighter that's eating my plants. And I have removed a lot of its other little brothers and sisters, but this one has been the one I've been trying to get for quite a while. So what do we do with them? Well, obviously we can squash them. We can spray them with an insecticide. We can, what I tend to do is donate them to the birds and the wildlife, which is either put them in a plate for the birds to come and eat, or put them on part of my balcony, like this bench here, and let the birds pick them as they will. But this is a problem. And usually because of all the rain that we've had recently, the birds haven't been coming in to actually peck off and pick all of these little grubs. So I'll dispose of this. One of the ways of, most likely, I'm going to feed the birds. The kookaburras and the magpies in this area are very, very well fed here on my property. And hopefully my plant, my philodendrons, epipremnums, the monsters, will not have more leaves consumed. So that's my little garden tip for today. Look out for the caterpillars. They are eating your plants.